Now, a local dad is among those charged in the Penn State cocaine case. And tonight, for the first time, we're hearing from his lawyer. Jennifer Barrasso has the story you'll see only on KDKA. Jen.
Ken, defense attorney Michael DeRiso says he's been contacted by national networks for interviews, but sat down only with KDKA. He said his client, Paul Robinson, is a devoted family man and a shark in the courtroom. I asked him about the safe full of money and drugs Robinson is accused of taking. He says he doesn't know if there even was a safe.
The Paul Robinson I know he's the guy, as busy as he is, with all the big cases he handles, he would always find time to be with his family.
In a KDKA-TV exclusive, defense attorney Michael DeRiso defended his client, who was on the other side of the law, in the national spotlight. Paul Robinson, a prominent Pittsburgh attorney, is charged in connection with the alleged cocaine ring involving 13 former or current Penn State University students, including his son Thomas, who is among one of the alleged ringleaders. The husband and dad is accused of concealing evidence and tampering with investigations related to the alleged drug ring conducted by fraternity members. Robinson is accused of hiding a safe containing drugs and cash.
I don't know if there was a safe. So we're going to find out on September 2nd through live witnesses as to what some of their evidence is.
Paul's son Thomas was arrested in December 2024 on drug manufacturing and delivery charges, among other counts. That arrest is also connected to the fraternity's scandal, officials said. Thomas was reportedly busted after authorities got tipped off that he was using Venmo payments for drugs under his own name. Authorities executed a search warrant for the frat house. They say he cooperated with their investigation after that 2024 arrest.
The rub is that this whole thing played out over 2 years ago when he got that call from his son to come pick him up because of what happened. And it's unfortunate that over 2 years later, Paul has found himself as someone who's in criminal legal trouble.
DeRiso admits he understands what people may be thinking, but urges don't judge until all of the facts come out.
Knowing the Paul I know, knowing any father who would attempt to help their family is one thing, but I struggle to see Paul doing something so reckless. So if there is some version of the story that isn't so criminal, that's probably the story that's going to come out at some point as we defend this.
Right now, DeRiso's client and his son are out on bond. DeRiso says he empathizes for the family and is preparing for the upcoming preliminary hearing.
We intend on challenging their evidence, and we're going to see where this takes us.
Attorney DeRiso said he spoke to the prosecutor today, and he's waiting to see what witnesses are called in that preliminary hearing on September 2nd. He says his biggest concern, his client's biggest concern, is making sure Robinson can continue to be what he calls an amazing lawyer. He is still working in law now. Reporting live in the newsroom, Jennifer Barrasso, KDKA-TV News.
Thanks, Jen.